Everybody, Crypto Mentor 99, how you doing? It is Sunday, December 29th, 2024, and I'm here again to do another video about Dabba and the Dabba network. For $199, you could purchase a router slash hotspot that they install, token launch 2025 first quarter, and earn legit passive income from a couple of $100 to $500 to even thousands per month, depending on the market value of the project. And this may not happen immediately the first month or two, but Dabba has made a commitment to India in solving the connectivity problem that is just overwhelming. I did another video. There's like 600 or 700 million people waiting for an internet hookup in India. You talk about supply and demand. There's a huge demand in India, and Dabba and the Dabba network offers a safe and reliable and fast solution. My referral link below, if you could use that, I would appreciate it. Underneath my referral link, I'm going to put a link. I just found this out the other day. Every couple of months, the Dabba network team does a vlog, VLOG, and I think the last one may have been in like August, and this one was in December, I believe. But it's the most recent one. Take a look at it. I think it's about an hour long, but I listened to it and it was so good to see some of the people and put names or faces to names. And underneath that, I'm going to put their Twitter link if you want to follow them on Twitter. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I can't believe that Dabba and the Dabba network has such a huge opportunity that they're filling, the gap that they're filling in India with internet and trying to get everybody hooked up. And another thing that I found that I didn't catch in one of the earlier videos, or the two Zoom calls I had with two of the leaders, and the cell towers, I think India has two major like telephone companies, and they're maxed out. You could only put up so many spots in India on office buildings or whatever. So the phone option of getting internet is almost, I don't want to say is maxed out entirely, but pretty much maxed out in India. And Dabba and the Dabba network, they have people begging them for internet. And they've got companies going, we come to our town, set up your hotspots, set up your lasers, we want to be included. There's not enough hours in the day to fill the need that Dabba has in front of them, which is why I love them. You talk about, you hear this a lot in the United States. Talk about a ground floor opportunity. It's crazy. Anyhow, my referral link below. Appreciate it if you would use it. And that's it. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I'm going to tell the whole world about Dabba and the Dabba network. Love y'all. Bye-bye.